All right, you're live.
Already?
Yep.
No warning?
I did. I said you're live.
Suck it in?
Suck it in.
Hi.
This is my beautiful, gorgeous wife.
Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Yeah, she's looking good today.
Thank you.
And that's her there too on my
On your truck?
on the truck. Yeah, make sure you follow. We got a message today that somebody saw us driving down
One of
there.
my friends messaged me and said, I think I saw you guys on the highway. I saw your husband and your faces. It's cute.
We were actually traveling when we listed this bad boy. So we weren't here for the final touches and the staging and everything else, but the team handled it.
Yes.
We had the most amazing
And
team,
we,
right?
From afar, get business done because it never stops. We're always working, no matter what. But yes, we are in Richardson, Texas. We are finally done with this beauty. Huge transformation.
Yeah, we listed on Saturday evening. On that Sunday, we had about 9 showings, really good feedback. And then we had about 4 total offers that came in. The following Monday, I want to say. And you know, we ended up listing above what we had projected, and we got the offer, really good offers. So we're very happy with it.
Yeah, we are extremely happy with it. It turned out gorgeous. Can't wait for you guys to see it.
Tell us some of the changes here on the exterior.
So this house, obviously it didn't have these concrete pads that we added ourselves.
We do have a detailed initial walkthrough on before,
right,
in which Gerald's going to put on the link down here
down
so
there.
you can click.
Down there.
Oh, man.
All right. We will add some before and after pictures so you guys can kind of get an idea of what it looked like before, but it wasn't like this.
No, it wasn't.
It had that wood paneling all over the house, remember?
Yes.
Like the old wood paneling that people like to do back in the here. We actually made it into an office. Before it didn't have any doors. There was a big opening here and then there was a big opening here. So this room was part of that room. And so we decided that we wanted to turn it into an official office. And so we added the French doors. And we kept the built-in desks